Hi all, welcome to Cook with Vidya. Today I am going to show you how to make mutton keema curry. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, take coarsely ground mutton, then add turmeric powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, little garam masala powder. Also add chopped green chilies and a few tablespoons of curd to it. Mix well and marinate it for at least 35 to 40 minutes. Next, in a pan, add some oil, roast bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, pepper, cardamom and cumin seeds thoroughly. Add finely chopped onions and saute well. Then add red chili powder, coriander powder, little kasuri methi and some salt in small quantities. Saute all the ingredients well. Add hot water and give a nice mix. Transfer it into a bowl. In the same pan, add little ghee and the marinated meat. After a while, you can see that the meat has started leaving its moisture. Next, add the fried mixture of onions to it. Now, add hot water and allow it to cook for 40 minutes in a low-medium flame by closing the lid. Keep adding hot water in short intervals so that the meat is cooked tenderly. Finally, add little lime juice to the curry. Our spicy mutton keema curry is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.